Okay, here is what I'm going to make. I'm making not homemade, but these are just some quick, easy fajitas to make. Using this bag of chicken fajita meat. I've already sliced up my onion, bell peppers, and some sweet peppers. And I also have my flour tortillas. And right here, I'm about to prepare to saute my onions in just a second. Okay, and now you're gonna go ahead and throw in your onions. Start just throwing them in. Before you do anything with this, make sure that you wash your hands, because that is the key. That's key. Wash your hands. And then you're just going to let this go. Let it saute until they're all like real soft and translucent. I'm actually going to throw some seasoning on my onions because that's the way I like it, but you can do whatever you would like to do. And the seasonings I'm going to use is a little bit of garlic powder and also chili powder and a little bit of cumin, because I am making fajitas and there are like a Mexican seasoning is what I'm going for. Y'all, the directions say thaw it out first. Actually, I've been sitting it out on the counter for a little while, and it's still a little frozen, so it's alright. It'll thaw as it, the heat hits it. So that's what it looks like, already pre-cooked. And it's going to just mix, all the juices are going to just add extra flavor to it. So far, this is how it's looking. Just let it go for about 10 minutes if it's frozen, about 6 minutes if it's thawed out. I highly advise y'all, if y'all do this, to thaw the meat out first, because it does take really long just to get the meat cooked. And because I mixed it all together, you have to just pay attention on the pieces that are still cold, the pieces that are frozen, because they're already cooked. You're really just warming it up, but I don't want none of my stuff cold, so I'm just making it be cooked as long as possible, as long as it gets, cooked all the way through. But yeah, listen to the instructions and thaw it, because don't be like me. I'm just showing a video. And excuse my kids in the background because they're kids. They're doing what they do best, making noise.